Look, everyone has their mouths open. Today I'm going to tell you the story behind this picture. I decided to take those people over there on this like small castle, let's say house, but it's castle, together with a car. But coincidentally, I took the moment Jos Verstappen, he was coming so fast. And over there was a chicane. And overcome this chicane that fast that nobody could believe. And that's why when they have their mouths open. Isn't it fun? Just capture that moment. When you are scrolling, you cannot see those small details. That's why it's important to tell the story behind the picture.